Hi, good morning. This is Tom Fishing Trip. Today is the 11th of August. Studying Obon in Japan, where the ancestors were coming back from heaven to here. And today I'm at like 5 a.m. in the morning. I feel really good. It's not really hot. It's not really, hot as before. And today I will try to be catching a smallmouth bass or largemouth bass. I was thinking, maybe black sea bream or black bass, but I prefer not to get big one. Anyway, I use MS Crawl with a 7-gram tungsten sinker, and as usual, water flow gently to right to left. So I cast up until a bit right and wait until it hit the bottom and feel the bottom and shake it, stop, shake it, stop. Oh, I should have brought the net. It's kind of difficult to rallying the fish. I should. Oh. Oh, that is a bird called kawasemi. It's a very fast moving bird, which is very beautiful with a blue color. So today, if I don't get any bite here, I will go to up until there. It's the intersection of two rivers. So I'm looking for the fish there. I don't get any bite today. Maybe because I just spent like 15 minutes, but I don't want to spend too much time here, so I probably go back there in the intersection of two rivers and hopefully to get some fish. Oh, bite. But it's not like the bite of smallmouth. It's more like the fish is hitting the lure, so I think it's a mullet. It's not a smallmouth bass. Yeah, it's not a smallmouth bass. Alright, let's go. So I just got here. This is kind of a very famous spot for smallmouth bass. But because of this, there's so many birds in it. Okie dokie. There are so many birds over there. Can't really help but it's really, it's called shirasagi in Japanese, the white sagi. There's so many. Just simply can't believe how many birds are there. And it seems like there's a lot of millet here in this area, so I feel like wow, so dark. I don't think nobody's here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, so many birds here. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, I don't want to get the poop from the bird, you know, these things. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable, simply. And there we are. Two rivers intersection in this area. So I'm sure there's a sea bass here. Oh, but I forget to bring. I just feel so hot right now. I want to get... Now I try to get a sea bass, and there's so many millet inside of the water, so I use a vibration. Just quick to fast and got it. Oh, get a bite. Get the bite without first slow. Can't believe it. I don't know how big the fish is, but it's inside of this strong flow. Can't believe. Come on. Come on, bass. I know fish is here. And maybe like 30 minutes using a free rig, but you know, the bird is so annoying and I can't really concentrate on, so I will finish fishing here and I will try to go to Moto Arakawa. Up until maybe it'll take like 30 minutes by car, so be there and this will continue fishing. Yep. Get on the car and heading to Moto Ara River, but you know it's 6, I don't know if you can see, 6 a.m. in the morning, but it's already 26 degrees. It's freaking hot outside. I don't really have the confidence to continue fishing, but let's see. You know what? I'm a bit regretting that I decided not to go sea bream fishing, because I found that sea bream fishing is much easier than smallmouth bass in this season I'm kind of like a believer that a smallmouth bass, spring is the best season. So the destination what I'm heading is the very famous area in Motoara River, and this area is you can fish a lot of nice proportion smallmouth bass in early winter, like February, I would say March, April. You can use jerkbait or a worm. I was able to catch 45 plus centimeters, pretty good sized smallies in early spring, but I never fish in the middle of summer. So today I have no idea what I can fish. Maybe I can fish maybe turn left here. And that's where the water stops. So this is the area. I'm thinking maybe some several fishes here. Yeah, this is that one. There's a parking lot here. Alright, so I'm in Motoara River, and this is the river to, and this is let's see, wow. So this area you cannot fish up until I guess 150 meters. Seems like there are a lot of carp here, and this is the area that fishing is allowed, so I will fish in this spot. Please don't fish here. It's so this is an area where you cannot fish for like the next 150 meters. You only catch fish over there. Right in this spot is Motoara River. あ、おはようございます。
どうですか？
いや、今からなんで。
私も来るの久しぶりなんですけど、最近はどうなんですか？釣れてるんですか？
いや、もう半年ぐらい来てないんで、
ああ、なるほど。
ちょっと何とも
言えないですか？
何とも言えないですね。
あ
いないことはないと思うんですけど。
まあそうですよね。でも叩かれまくっちゃってますからね。
そうですね。結構プレッシャー高いし、難しいと思います。ちょっと上の方でやっています。
あ、どうも。
はい。So right in this spot, I probably use human chemistry, but I forget to bring it, so I don't know. I simply don't have any idea. Let's try. There's so many skaters. Oh, oh. Oh boy, it started to rain. So I'm at the very small pond. Try to get largemouth bass. There's no smallmouth bass here. Loot with my fishing. I used to fish a lot with my dad when I was like 7 or 8 years old. At that time it was kind of difficult to get a bass because I don't know how to get it. But even now I have no idea how to get largemouth bass here. The water level is very shallow. I think I'm just to leave, stop, retrieve, and stop. It's been so long since I targeted largemouth bass. I'm sure there is a bass here. I just need a patience. So I use 5-gram tungsten sinker with an Uncle Gobi 2.5 inch. I cast it out and just simply slowly continuously to retrieve. And there's a lot of people who are targeting Herabuna. Oh, that guy just hooked on the fish. There's so many turtles, you see? The turtles are everywhere, and that is another problem. So I spent like 3-4 hours of bass fishing with music, but I was not unable to catch any single bites. Of course, any fish. Well, bass fishing in Japan in summer, it's so hard, so much difficult. So anyway, from now on I'm gonna go to fishing store, which is called Casting. Casting is the biggest fishing store around the Kanto area, and I might get some sinker and some hooks for a black sea bling. So please. So here we are. It's a ramen shop. Just gotta create additional coupon. Looking forward to it. So ramen. あ、はい。
味噌味玉トッピングになります。食事の際、紙パンご利用されますか？
あ、大丈夫です。
レベルどうぞ。
So ramen. They have plenty of corn for the meat. It smells so good. And this is specialized